viewers, welcome to my channel again. Thank you so much to people who are subscribing my channel. The viewers didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel to learn about free website, engineering, math, calculus and more videos related to that. So today I came up with another website which is Repl.it. So when you go to Google and you type this, I'm gonna post the link on my description box. Type Repl.it and then this will come up, and then if you didn't sign up, please sign up, and if you already sign up, then log in. So I already have my account, so I will log in. You can log in with Google. I'm gonna log in with Google. So after you log in, you're gonna come up with this page. Then you can click languages, and then you will see many popular programming languages are available and you can code in there for free. You don't need to download any software to run those code. You have Python, C, Java, C++. So let's click C++ and then create Replit. You can change the name here and then create Replit, and then the file will load here. See, simple. Run the code. Hello world. You can type anything more and do your typing here. You don't have to worry about downloading any software or opening it, because sometimes software give us a hard time. I know that because it always gives me a hard time. So it will be very easy if you use Replit. It's very simple. Sign up and then you are gonna log in. You can log in with Google, or maybe if you don't want that, you can do it as you like, and then use Replit to learn coding. It's very simple. You also have Python. You can do Python. You also have C. You also have C++. So it's very simple. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.